Hello viewers, welcome to watchcenter.pk official YouTube channel. Viewers, in this video we are going to review one of Casio new digital watch in a resin strap and square dial. It's in full black and it's a digital watch. This is a close-up of the dial, illuminator. Casio illuminator watch. It comes with a light, water resistance 15 meter, alarm chronograph, and a pretty decent watch. And the resin strap, black, back side of the dial. The model number is W-218H-1A. That's the model number. Viewer, it's a basic digital watch and it has 2 buttons on the left and 1 button on the right. So this is a mode button and it comes with the alarm, stopwatch, and you can set the time by using this button. For example, I want to change hour to 5 and then I will press this button to change to 5 PM and again I will press this button. I want to set the time 5:30 PM. So if I'll press and hold, so it will basically move 5:30. And this is also you can set the time, like this is the month, so 9 month, and the date. And also the day, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So this is the time setting, very easy and straightforward. And this is this button you will use to basically adjust the time. And this button on the left, there is only one button on the left, which is illuminator, light button, and the light, as you can see, is very powerful. It's in yellow color. So viewers, a pretty decent watch and it's a budget range watch. So we will try this watch on the wrist, and also we will check the diameter of the square dial and also the weight of this watch in gram. So let's try this watch on the wrist first. So viewers, it looks pretty decent on the wrist. It's a classic Casio design, Casio watch, quartz digital watch in full black. And the resin strap is also very comfortable on the hand. It's very soft. So let's try the weight of this watch in gram first. So viewers, weight of this watch in gram is 37.2. So it's pretty lightweight digital watch by Casio. 37.2 gram is the weight of this watch. So we will check the diameter of the dial in millimeter. The square dial is around 35.6 mm. 35.6 mm. And the thickness is around 11 mm. Thickness of the dial is around 11 mm. So viewers, you can order this watch online in Pakistan from our online watch store, watchcenter.pk. Also, you can send us a message on our WhatsApp number 031022333484 to inquire about this watch or any other Casio watch. And for international customers, we have given link in the description. Please click on this link to order this watch online. And viewers, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, watchcenter.pk, to get notification of the video reviews. of Casio and other brand watches. And if you like the video, please share. Thank you for watching.